Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Commerce Tutorpedia. In this video, we are going to start a new chapter of Statistics for Economics, that is chapter 6, and topic for today's video is measures of dispersion. Before starting this video, I would like to request you all to like and subscribe to my channel Commerce Tutorpedia, and for any queries related to online tuitions of class 11th, 12th, UG, PG, Commerce and Net Commerce, you can drop your comments in the comment box below. Thank you. Now let us start this video with the definition of dispersion. So what is a dispersion? Dispersion is the extent to which values in a distribution differ from the average of the distribution. To quantify the extent of the variation, there are certain measures, namely, dispersion is the extent to which the value in a distribution differ from the average of the distribution, and to quantify or to measure this difference, there are certain methods that we use. That is, there are 4 methods. Firstly, range, quartile deviation, mean deviation and standard deviation. Okay. So, range and quartile deviation measures the dispersion by calculating the spread within which the value lie. Okay, so both these methods measures the spread within which the value lie, and mean deviation and standard deviation calculate the extent to which the value differ from the average. Okay, so there is a difference between these measures. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the first method, that is range. So how to calculate range, or we can say that how to calculate dispersion with the method of range. The formula to calculate range is L minus S, where L is the largest value in the distribution and S is the smallest value of the distribution. So how we will calculate the dispersion with range? Higher value of range implies higher dispersion. If there will be higher difference between the largest and the smallest value, we can conclude that there is a higher dispersion. Okay, and same is true for the opposite. If there is a lower value of range, it implies lower dispersion. And there is another formula that we need to know. It is coefficient of range. That is how to calculate the coefficient of range. So the formula is L minus S upon L plus S. L is largest value minus S is the smallest value, same is L plus S. Now let us understand range by applying this formula in certain questions. Okay, so in this first question, we need to calculate range as well as the coefficient of range. So let us see how to calculate it. Let us first write down the formula that is required to calculate range. So the range is highest or the largest value minus the smallest value, or we can denote it as highest value minus the lowest value, right? So in this series, in this distribution, we can see what is the largest value or the highest value. It is 77, right? It is 77. And what is the smallest value? Smallest value is very clearly S equals to 1, right? So let us calculate range. The calculation of range is very easy. That is largest minus smallest. That is 77 minus 1, which gives us 76. So 76 is the range. Okay, and how to calculate coefficient of range? The formula to calculate coefficient of range was coefficient of range. The formula was largest minus smallest upon largest plus smallest. Okay, so the largest value was 77 minus 1 and the plus 1. Okay, 77 minus 1 is 76 and 77 plus 1 is 78. So what will be the coefficient of range? I am calculating it with the calculator and the value that we got is 0.97. So this is how we calculate range and coefficient of range. I know this question is very easy. Now let us see another question. In this question we have been given with frequencies, right? So let us see how to calculate range and coefficient of range when frequency of the distribution has been given. So as we know, the formula to calculate range is largest value minus smallest value. So in this question, what is the largest value? The largest value or the largest size is 11.5. So we will write the largest value as 11.5. And what is the smallest value? Smallest value here is 4.5. It is clearly seen. So the R here is 11.5 minus 4.5, that is range is equals to 7. Okay. Now let us see how to calculate coefficient of range when frequencies are given. So coefficient of range, sorry, okay. So coefficient of range equals to L minus S upon L plus S. That gives us 11.5 minus 4.5 upon 11.5 plus 4.5. The value is already been calculated as 7, and 11.5 plus 4.5 gives us 16. So when we will calculate it by calculator, we will get the coefficient of range as 0.44. Easy. Now let us see the last question under range, in which class intervals and frequencies are given. Okay, so let us see how to calculate range in this question. So the formula will be the same, right? But we need to see here that the formula here is quite different. Okay, so the range here is highest mid value minus lowest mid value. Now let us see what is the highest mid value and the lowest mid value. So the range here is 31 plus 35 by 2. That gives us, okay, I'm sorry, minus, because we need to calculate the mid value, no? So what is the highest mid value? That will be under this class interval only. So this is how we calculate the mid values, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. And let us see what is the lowest mid value. It will lie in this class interval. So 1 plus 5 divided by 2, which gives us, this gives us 33 and this gives us 3. So the range here is 30. I hope this question is clear. Now let us see how to calculate coefficient of range when class intervals are given. Coefficient of range equals to H minus L upon H plus L, that is highest minus lowest, highest plus lowest. So 33 minus 3, I am taking these values from this step only. Okay, so 33 minus 3 and 33 plus 3, which gives us 30 upon 36, and I am calculating this value with the help of a calculator. It gives us 0.8 33 as the value of our coefficient of range. So that is it guys. I hope this range topic is clear to you all. This was very easy topic, and I'll be back with another method of calculating the measures of dispersion, that is quartile deviations. Till then, thank you so much guys.